So I've been living in Thailand for about a year and a half, and I know that Thailand is famous for their cuisine. People fly across the country to taste it, and I appreciate all the hard work that goes into creating the cuisine. But their diet consists a lot of pork and seafood, and I can't get with that. I just was actually at a pool party a couple weeks ago, and a couple of people was admiring my abs. No homo. But this video is just to plug people on. If you out here in Thailand and you feel like me, like to stay healthy, but you don't eat pork or seafood, this is a healthy alternative for you. This place is called NutriFit. I found them on Facebook, and they've been a heaven sent. They deliver lunch and dinner to my house Monday through Friday. And the food is good. I mean, it's healthy, no preservatives, no sugar. Only thing is, it's kind of bland, so you gotta add your own little seasoning, like I do. Basically, just salt and pepper. Nothing too crazy. It's very good too. I mean, it's good without the salt and pepper, but me being me, I have to add my own little seasoning to it. So, but if you're ever in Thailand, if you wanna get it healthy, you wanna eat healthy. Try them out. You know what I mean? I'm not getting paid from this, but I'm just plugging people on because, I believe that, eating clean I eat to live, you know what I mean? So I've always been that way. So I had to find something out here in Thailand so I can actually, continue to eat healthy, you know what I mean? When I first got here, it was kind of hard for me to find. I don't know why it was so hard, but I just couldn't find a healthy alternative. But I just was on Facebook one day and I stumbled upon this company. It's actually right around the corner from my home too. But yeah, this is a quick little video. I just wanted to plug people on about NutriFit. Like I said, I'm not getting paid from this. So yeah, man, check them out.